In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins using your Phantom Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so what we need to do is obviously open up your Phantom Wallet and log in. All right, so once you've logged into your Phantom Wallet, we need to go ahead and click on the buy button. So there's a buy button there on the home page. And now we can do a simple search for that particular meme coin, or we can have a look by most popular. If we scroll down, you can see all these different meme coins. We've got Dog with Hat, Book of Meme, got Bonk, got Honey, Cat in a Dog's World. So they got all these different type of meme coins. So you just go ahead and find which one you want to purchase. If I want to go ahead and purchase this one here, where is it? Dog with Hat or Book of Meme. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Book a Meme and now put in the price of how much I want to pay. So if I want to do $100, I'll receive 51,000 BOME coins. Now from here, I'm going to click on to buy. But if I go back, before we click on the buy button, it will say below that, it will say how you want to buy. So credit and debit card. So if I click onto that, it will say pay with credit and debit card. And they got a few different providers. So we've got Binance and Topper to purchase this meme coin. Some meme coins have different ways of purchasing, so it might look different if you're purchasing a different meme coin. All right, so if I want to go ahead and purchase with Binance, I'm going to go ahead and click on Binance, then click buy. And what this is going to do, this is going to send me off to the Binance, my Binance app, where I need to make the purchase through here. So here it is here, connect, buy and sell in one click. So yeah, spend 100 USD, receive that. I need to go in and click continue with my purchase, but I'm not going to do it. This is just for demonstration purposes. So once I've done that, if I go back to my Phantom Wallet, you'll be able to see your purchase on the home page here. If we scroll down, but because I didn't make the purchase, obviously it's not going to appear.